In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply discount in QuickBooks. Discounts are a simple way to reward customers or match a promotion, and the good news is they're easy to add right where you already work, on forms like invoices and estimates. You don't have to hop through settings or create special items. You'll find the discount control in the same general spot on these forms, so once you learn it on one, you'll be set for the others. Start by opening a form that supports discounts, such as an invoice. Work with the invoice you're preparing, just as you normally would. As you review the form, look toward the bottom right. That's where the discount option lives. It's designed to be quick and obvious so you can apply a price break without interrupting your flow. When you click into the discount area, you'll choose how you want the discount to be calculated. Pick percent if you want the discount to scale with the total. For example, if your subtotal is 500 and you enter 10, QuickBooks will automatically calculate a 50 discount. This is great when you're offering a standard percentage off, like a seasonal 15% promotion or a loyalty 5% reduction. Because it's tied to the subtotal, the discount grows or shrinks based on what's on the form. If you prefer a fixed amount, switch the setting to a currency value. This is best for a flat discount, such as 25 off a service call or 100 off a project. Enter the exact amount you want to reduce, and QuickBooks subtracts it from the total right away. This method gives you precise control when the discount shouldn't change with the size of the invoice. As soon as you enter your percentage or currency amount, you'll see the totals update immediately. The discount appears clearly, and the new balance due reflects your change. On an estimate, the process is the same, so you can present a discounted quote with full clarity before converting it to an invoice later. A couple of quick tips as you do this: choose percent when you want the discount to be proportional and easy to maintain across different job sizes. Choose a currency amount when you're honoring a fixed concession. If you need to be precise, you can enter decimals for percentage or currency values, and QuickBooks will handle the math and rounding. Keep in mind, discounts typically apply to the subtotal, and how they interact with taxes can vary by region and tax rules. So make sure your discount reflects how you intend to price the job. That's all there is to it. Open your form, find the discount at the bottom right, pick percent or currency, enter the value, and you're done.